Daniel, look at that machine. It says self-checkout.
Yeah, I've never tried it before.
Same here, but maybe we can do it. Let's try.
Okay, I will scan the milk first. Beep.
Oh, it worked. That was easy.
Now I will scan the bread. Beep. Done.
Wow, this is not difficult at all.
Next, the bananas. Beep. Oh no, it says something.
What does it say?
It says, place item in the bagging area.
But you already placed it, right?
Yes, I did. Let me try again. Beep.
Now what happened?
Oh no, now it says unexpected item.
Maybe the machine doesn't like bananas.
This is crazy. People are watching.
Don't panic. Let's think slowly.
Okay, maybe we forgot something.
Wait, I remember. You must weigh the bananas first.
Ah, that makes sense. Let's weigh them.
Yes, the machine is happy now.
Finally, let's pay and go. Click.
Done. That was funny.
Very funny. But next time, let's just use a normal cashier.
Agreed. Daniel, I feel a little nervous.
Why? It's just security check.
I don't know. What if my bag makes a problem?
Don't worry, your bag is fine.
Oh no, the screen is blinking.
Really? What does it say?
It says, check bag again.
That sounds funny. Did you hide something?
Of course not. Maybe it's my water bottle.
Let's open the bag and see.
Okay. Oh no, look.
A big teddy bear? You carried this?
Yes, I cannot travel without it.
Maybe the teddy looks dangerous.
Stop laughing. It's just my soft toy.
Now it is my turn.
Okay, put your bag on the belt.
Okay, put your bag on the belt.
What is inside your bag?
Let me think. Oh no, I forgot.
What?
I put a big pack of cookies inside.
Cookies. Security thinks you are a food smuggler.
No, I am just hungry.
That was funny.
Yes, from now I will pack carefully.
Same here. No more teddy bears and no more cookies.
Deal.
Daniel, let's start. We must study English today.
Yes, let's do it. Open your notebook.
Okay. First, new vocabulary. Read this word.
The word is journey. It means travel.
Good. Now use it in a sentence.
Our journey to the library is very slow.
That's true. We always walk slowly.
Wait, are you hungry?
A little. I want some snacks.
Me too. Studying is boring without food.
Okay, let's eat first, then study.
Did you watch the new movie yesterday?
Yes, it was so funny. I laughed a lot.
Who was the hero?
A new actor. Very handsome.
Oh, so you like him?
Maybe a little.
Hey, wait. We forgot to study.
Oh no, time is running.
Okay, one more word. The word is focus.
Yes, but we cannot focus today.
That's right.
So what should we do?
Let's stop. We can study tomorrow.
Agreed. Today was more gossip than study.
True, but I enjoyed it.
Me too. Learning with you is always fun.
Same here. Okay, close the books.
Daniel, why are you so serious?
I forgot my password.
Password for what?
For my email. I cannot log in.
Oh no, that's a big problem.
Yes, I tried many times. Wrong, wrong, wrong.
Don't panic. Click on Forgot Password.
Okay. Oh, now it asks for my phone number.
Write it. Then you will get a code.
Done. But no code yet.
Wait a little. Sometimes it takes time.
Yes, a message came. The code is here.
Good. Type it carefully.
Done. Now it asks for a new password.
Make it strong. Add numbers and symbols.
Okay. Daniel123.
That is not strong.
Why not? It is easy to remember.
Easy to hack too. Try something better.
Banana at 456.
That's funny, but better.
Okay, I saved it. Now I'm inside my email.
Great. Problem solved.
Thanks to you. You are my password hero.
Next time, write it down.
No way. If someone finds it, I am finished.
True, then maybe use your brain more.
My brain is full already.
Daniel, this place looks so modern.
Yes, very cool. It's my first time here.
Same for me. I feel a little nervous.
Why nervous? We are just here to work.
I know, but many people are watching.
Don't worry. Just smile and sit down.
Wow, the chairs are so comfortable.
And the Wi-Fi is fast. I already connected.
Really? Tell me the password.
Oh, wait. It is written on the wall.
Oh yes, I see it. Thanks. Okay, I am online now. Let's start.
Good. I will open my project.
And I will write my notes.
Hey, do you feel strange?
A little. Everyone is typing so fast.
Yes, their keyboards sound like rain.
True, our typing is very slow.
We must practice. Fast typing looks professional.
Yes, but don't make too much noise.
Yes, but don't make too much noise. Do you want coffee?
Of course. Where can we get it?
There's a small kitchen here. Let's go later.
Great. Work first, coffee later.
Okay, but I like this place.
Me too. It feels creative and fresh.
Let's come every day.
Agreed. New place, new energy. Daniel, look at those lights. They are so beautiful.
Yes, very colorful. Should we buy some?
Of course, a festival without lights feels empty.
True. Okay, I will carry them.
Oh, look at that shop. The dresses are amazing.
They look nice, but also expensive.
It's a festival. We must look special.
Fine, try one. I will wait.
Okay, give me a minute.
Wow, you look great.
Really? Or are you just being polite?
No, I mean it. You look perfect.
Then I will buy it.
What about food? We need sweets.
Yes, sweets are the best part.
I like chocolate ones.
And I love the milk sweets. Let's take both.
Okay, now our bags are full.
But our hearts are happy.
You sound poetic today.
Festivals make me poetic.
You know, shopping with you is fun.
Same here. We always laugh and enjoy.
True. This festival will be special.
Yes, because we prepared together. Daniel, look at the sky. It is so dark.
Yes, I think it will rain soon.
Do you have an umbrella?
Oh no, I forgot it at home.
Same here. We are in trouble.
See? The rain has started.
Let's find a shop to stay under.
Wait, the rain is soft. Let's walk slowly.
Are you serious? We will get wet.
Yes, but sometimes it's fun.
Actually, it feels nice.
I told you. Rain makes everything fresh,
The sound of drops is like music.
and the street lights look so shiny.
Daniel, let's have tea. It's perfect in rain.
Good idea. 2 cups of hot tea, please.
This tea feels magical.
And look, the rain is getting heavier,
People are running everywhere with umbrellas.
but we are sitting calmly, enjoying the moment.
You know, days like this stay in memory.
Yes, not the big events, but the small ones,
Exactly. A simple rainy walk can feel special.
especially when you share it with someone.
I agree with that.
The sky is clearing. Should we go?
Let's wait a little longer.
Emma, promise me something.
What promise?
Whenever it rains again, we will walk together.
I promise. Always. Daniel, look at the clouds. It may rain today.
Really? Then our promise will come true.
Yes, we promise to walk together in the rain.
I was waiting for this moment.
The wind feels fresh.
And the air smells like rain.
Do you think it will be heavy?
Maybe. But even if it is, we will enjoy.
It's here. The rain has come.
Come on, let's walk.
Wait, let me put my phone in the bag.
Good idea. No phones, only rain.
Daniel, this feels magical again.
Yes, the sound of rain, the cool breeze. Everything is perfect.
Look at the children playing. They don't care about getting wet.
Just like us. Today, we are children too.
You know, life is sometimes very fast,
True. Everyone is busy with work, stress, and noise,
but rain slows everything down.
and gives us time to feel alive.
Do you remember your words?
Which words?
You said small moments stay in memory.
Yes, and I was right. This is one of them.
Daniel, I want to keep this moment forever.
Me too. And we can in our hearts.
Maybe one day when we are old, we will still walk in the rain.
Then let's make another promise.
What promise?
No matter what age, no matter what time, we will never stop walking together in the rain.
I promise. Always. Daniel, the sky is so colorful today.
Yes, it feels calm after the rain.
I like moments like this. Just us talking, watching the world.
Me too. It feels peaceful.
Daniel, do you ever think about the future?
Of course, I think about it a lot.
And what do you see?
I see happiness, and maybe us together.
That's nice. I see us learning, traveling, laughing together,
Really? I imagine the same. We could explore new cities, new places,
and eat all kinds of food.
of course, but the best part will be sharing everything with you.
Daniel, sometimes I worry. Life can be busy, people can change.
I know, but some things stay constant, like our friendship, our walks, our promises.
You mean the rain walks?
Yes, the rain walks, the sunsets, the small moments. They will never change.
I hope so. I want to remember every simple moment with you.
And I promise, Emma, I will try, always.
Then let's make one more promise.
Another one?
Yes, whatever happens, we will dream together and support each other's dreams.
I promise. Dream together, support each other, always.
Daniel, I feel lucky today.
Me too. Not because of the sunset, not because of the rain,
Then why?
because I have you by my side.